Alright guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we're going to be doing a Python program where we can print CSV data. So data from a .csv file, which is basically a crude spreadsheet or a very low level database. So right here I have some data that I found on the internet just about somebody that makes displays and the number of clicks or something like that. So we're going to be printing out this data in a way. So let's get into it. So the first thing we have to do is do an import of CSV, which is a Python library to work with CSV data. So we're going to do with open and the name of the CSV file, so 28088 dash data dot CSV as data. So that'll be what we call it. Now we need to create a for loop, row in something called, we're going to have to create reader, or actually, hang on one second, we need to define that first. So reader equals csv dot dict read and data. So in this for now, for row in reader, we're going to do a print statement. So on space plus row and date plus and a colon. So you'll be thinking where this date is coming from in this array. If you look at the CSV file, there's a column with the title of date. So that's where this is coming from. So in the for loop, we're going to create something called a control, or you can name it whatever you like, which is going to equal a round. So it's going to go around this. So 100 times, and we're going to populate this. So it's going to be an int row and clicks slash int row displays. This needs to be in quotes. Displays and 2. So this it won't give you all the titles. It'll just give you the data that we're looking for. So once we have that, we can do a simple print. Whoops. Plus str, this control that we just made right here, plus a format, so % and new line, and hit save. So we're going to dismiss all of these messages. In VS Code, you're going to go to View, Terminal, and to run it, we're just going to do a Python 3 main.py. Once you hit enter, there you have it. So on January 1st, here is the CTR, 12.67%, 9.9%, 6.4%, and 9.62%. So there you have it, guys. This is a real quick one, a couple of minutes. I actually moved back to school on Monday, so I wanted to make something quick to upload really fast on Monday when this goes up. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. As always, this will be available on my GitHub, which will be linked in the description below. And make sure you guys go ahead and hit that like button, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.